I love that question, Michael. I don't typically have, in fact, I would say maybe 1 out of every 500 clients that I have comes in and sees the settlement memorandum and expresses disappointment. I attribute this to experience, quite honestly. I don't have clients surprised. When my clients come in to sign everything, they know the result. And they know that because the process never actually gets started to resolve their case until I get their explicit permission in writing. So as an example, if I think a client's case is worth $10,000, I'm going to send them a letter before I even send anything out to the other party's insurance company. I'm going to tell the client in a letter that my opinion is that your case is worth $10,000. And I'm going to tell the client that I think that in order to allow me room to negotiate to get that $10,000, I'm going to tell the insurance carrier that I want $21,000 or $22,000. And in that letter, I actually tell them that, by the way, this $10,000, this is the minimum that I believe is appropriate. Now the client gets the letter. Maybe they don't like it. Maybe now they're upset. Maybe now they're disappointed. So they come in. That's what the letter says. If you agree, sign this. If this is satisfactory, sign this. If you have any questions, call me. If you disagree, call me. Come in. Let's go over it in person. I don't have time to write every client a 20-page letter explaining every detail. The letter I'm talking about from my office is just simply that. It's a letter, 1 page. Dear client, here's what I think your case is worth. This is what I'm going to ask for. Sign it if you agree. If you don't, call me. So I get clients who come in and they say, this is all I'm going to get. And I say, well, you know, this is the file. This is the file that I have on you. Here's the medical records. Here's the documentation about your wage loss. Please explain more to me so that I might get a better understanding that I wouldn't otherwise have from reading all of this. And sometimes they give me information, and sometimes it's just simply that they think their case is worth a lot more. And after a full and complete and frank discussion with them, more often than not, I'm going to say a very, very large percentage of the time, when the clients leave my office, they are very happy, very satisfied as to at least what I'm going to try to recover for them at a minimum. So then when I do get that amount of money or more, we call them up and we say, you know, hello, Fred or Sally, those are the 2 names I keep using as imaginary clients. We were able to settle your case for what we told you, or we got a little bit more, whatever it is, and at the end you're going to get X dollars, which is what we told you, or a little bit more, maybe a lot more. So the clients don't come into my office, Michael, typically, and express frustration or disappointment with what they're seeing because it's not for the first time.